Hello everyone, welcome back to my estate video. The information reaching me just now is that people that have not activated their account, they have only 3 days, okay, before their account will be deactivated. And to be honest, I don't want anybody's account to be deactivated in estate because we are already benefiting so much from estate, okay? And I don't want anybody that has registered to get his or her account deactivated simply because the person has not even deposited as little as $10 to activate your account, right? It's not that difficult. It's not that hard at all. It's not rocket science. Okay? When you register in estate, the next thing you should do immediately after your registration is to complete your KYC, which is easy. You only need to just upload your government ID card and do a selfie. That will now complete your identity verification, okay, which is called KYC, know your customer. Once that is done, you will now have access to the deposit page where you will be able to deposit and, of course, activate your account with just as little as $10 or anything above $10. So please, to avoid this, right, make sure that after watching this video, you log in and then activate your account with only $10. Don't let this happen to you guys, right? So let me show you the message that I got sent to by one of my team members that has not done what he is supposed to do. This is the screenshot that he sent to me this morning. eState sent email out to say, important notification, your account will be deactivated in 3 days. And then the details of the email was that we would like to inform you that in 3 days, your account on the eState platform will be automatically deactivated if no financial transactions has been made by this date. Please note that in order to activate and continue using all the features of the platform, you must make at least one transaction with tokenized real estate. Don't miss the opportunity to take full advantage of what eState offers you. If you have any questions or need assistance, our support team is always ready to help you. So guys, this is serious, right? You don't want your account to be deactivated simply because you've not deposited as little as $10. Now, let me give you an example of what you can benefit from if you activate your account today with $10. In fact, there was a time I was sending email out to people to help them activate their account. But people just ignore my emails. People ignore the messages I send to them simply because maybe they don't know how important it is and what they are going to benefit from eState, right? This is a typical income, a typical passive income that comes with your account activation. Okay, it's only $10. They are not asking too much of you, right? Only $10. Register today with the link below this video description. Complete your KYC and then deposit $10 and use that $10 that you have deposited to purchase a fraction of the Miami apartment. This is a typical, income that you get from just $10 activation fee. Now, if you decided to add more money after your $10 activation, this is a typical example of the profit history for villa property, right? So this is between $16 to $17, $18 on a daily basis. It's big money for some people and it's still small money for some people, but at least when you invest $3,120 in this villa property, this is what you get on a daily basis, Mondays to Fridays, right? So, as I said, everybody is not the same. You may not have the money, okay, the $3,120 to start the villa property, but you will have $10 for this apartment in Miami. It's not much. What are you waiting for? Right? Just give me one reason why you cannot activate your account with as little as $10, guys. Right, so let me go back into the eState platform. This is the eState platform, and right here, after you registered and completed your KYC, you will have access to this profit calculator. Right, this is the Miami apartment I was telling you guys about. This is the profit screen for this. Right, this is the profit screen for when you activate your account with only $10. You can see that the minimum is $10. Right, they are telling you here that the minimum for this apartment is $10. But of course, if you want to activate your account with more than $10, you are welcome to do so. Right, there are other apartments or real estates that you can purchase a fraction of it as well. Okay, for example, this lake house, you can deposit just $250, and then you will purchase a fraction of this and begin to earn on a daily basis if you wish to do so. Okay, there are other ones. The desert villa, this one is $1,000, okay, minimum to purchase a fraction of this one. There are other much more higher amounts. For example, this one is 4,950, the Villa Mao, right? So this one again, you can as little as $4,950, right? So the options are here for you guys, right? You have no excuse for your account to be deactivated. Trust me, there is no excuse at all. So please avoid this happening to your account. If you are watching this video today, take action, because you have only 3 days, guys. Only 3 days, and your account will be deactivated. Okay, if you have not signed up yet, the link to sign up is below this video description. There is a video that you need to watch to learn how to sign up correctly, and then complete your KYC, deposit the minimum you wish to deposit, starting from as little as $10 and above. If you wish to deposit more than $10, that is fine, right? And then use that deposit to activate your account by purchasing a fraction of, any of those real estate that I showed you, depending on the amount you have deposited. So that is for people that are looking to register today. For people that have already registered, what I need you to do right now is to go back to your back office, log back into your eState account, make sure that you have completed your KYC. If you have not, complete your KYC immediately, right? And then after completing your KYC, you deposit that minimum of $10. Use it to purchase a fraction of the apartment in Miami to activate your account. This is just to activate your account, because you can see that $10 is not going to earn you any money that is going to change your life, right? So come on, right? If you want something good, you should put more money in the platform. $10 is not going to change your life, but $10 will avoid, your account being deactivated, guys. So avoid your account being deactivated today by taking action from all the things I have told you to do. Thank you, and God bless.